Welcome to this beginner's guide to polymorphism in Java. In this tutorial, we'll cover the basics of polymorphism and its implementation in Java. First off, let's define what polymorphism is. Polymorphism is the ability of an object to take on many forms. In Java, one way of implementing polymorphism is through method overriding and overloading. Method overriding allows a subclass to provide its own implementation of a method that is already provided by its parent class, while method overloading allows multiple methods with the same name to exist in a class. The beauty of polymorphism is that it helps to reduce code complexity and improve flexibility. It also makes your code more readable, usable, and scalable. To illustrate this concept better, let's dive into some code snippets. Let's create a basic shape class, which has a method to calculate the area of the shape. Now, let's create a subclass called rectangle that extends the shape class. We'll override the calculatory method in the rectangle class. Next, let's create another subclass called circle that extends the shape class. We'll override the calculatory method in the circle class. Let's now create a main class that uses these classes. In the example above, we create two classes that extend the shape class. Both rectangle and circle have their own implementation of the calculatory method, which overrides the implementation in the shape class. We then create instances of these subclasses and call the calculatory method, which gives us the correct area of the shape. And that's it. We've successfully implemented polymorphism in Java. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please don't hesitate to ask any questions in the comments section below. Don't forget to subscribe for more programming tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy coding!